Hello guys! Today we will have a look on different steering modes on Bobcat Telescopic Loader. A lot of you were asking what is this button for. It's for changing driving modes and it has 3 different positions. Top position is for 4-wheel steering, which has short steering radius and is good for operating in tight areas, and I have less steering wheel turns. In the middle position, I have only front wheel steering, which I use for normal driving. Good for high speeds, road transports and trailer towing. In the bottom position, we have a crab mode. This will allow me to steer all wheels in the same direction. I use it mainly for cleaning along the walls and walkways to make sure I don't damage the side of the machine and I have good visibility on the bucket.